Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene aka Chichi aka Chiteri aka Mama J. You get to choose a name. I'm so excited, guys, because today we have a challenge. First and foremost, poleni, nimewaweka sana. My last video was I don't know a month ago or two. Poleni, I hope mnanisamehea. But today we are here with another bang. Yeah, my son just say woohoo. Anyway, we are doing rock paper scissors with my friends. They're going to introduce themselves before we start. So sit, relax, and enjoy. Grab your popcorns, and you better be Team Chichi because this is my channel, okay? Yeah, so you better be Team Chichi, okay? Yes, come along.
Okay, so right here we are trying to psych ourselves up. This time we were singing that song for Maya, Maya, Maya Matube. I don't know if you know that song. The one that goes Piga up Burukanga, Buruka, Piga up. You know that song? So because of copyright, I can't really post it, but as you can see from the dances, we were doing the up Burukanga challenge, trying to psych ourselves before we eat that food. And the next clip, we were dancing the Taya song. Is it called Taya? Yeah, so my mom's name is Christine, and that part for Kirisi Mona Taya, we say Christine Hana Ubaya. Yeah, so that is what we were doing and dancing. Yes, but let's go to the food part.
Okay. So this is what we have. We have bajia, smokies, smocha, eggs, kachumbari, salt, and some water over there. In case of chogging. Aya, we're gonna introduce ourselves so that tujue mko team gani. You guys better be Team Chichi.
Hi, my name is Nina. Na mko team Nina, by the way.
Hi, my name is Bexy. Be on Team Bexy.
Ashley, Team Ashley.
Adana, Team Adana. Kesh, team yangu ndio inabamba.
Kubu, I happen to be the ref.
Woo! Ref. Team JJ.
Team JJ.
Yoshi happened to be the ref.
Well, no, the cameraman.
The cameraman.
Team
behind
Papa.
the wheel.
Papa, Team Papa. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Go, you can
Go, Adana, go! Adana, go! Go! Rock, paper, scissors.
Ni Adana na nani na nani?
Mimi Shalini siwezi cheza na wewe.
One, two, go.
Anthony wewe peke yako.
Anto, you can do this. Anto, you can do this. Go.
Kunywa maji. Ni lovely na nani na chichi.
Murumie tu akule.
Go Loveline. Smoocher. Kunywa maji.
The rest of you, go.
Jaba. Smoocher Jaba iko. And lovely. Adana haraka. Wanyini wa haramu amfiki kwa gate.
1, 2, go. 1, 2, ngoja.
Ana ulikuwa?
1, 2, go. 1, 2, go.
Mimi na Nina.
1, 2, go. 1, 2, go.
Mimi na Dana. Twende.
Go. One, two, go. 1, 2, go. Oh, okay. Wait. I'm gonna wait. One, two, go. 1, 2, go.
Go Adana kula.
Aya, the next, kama huyu mtoi atakuwa nini? Atakwenda tu wewe ubebe sawa.
Kama wakule pamoja.
So next tunakula naye sawa? 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. Ani watatu. 1, 2, go.
I go die.
Wacha na nyinyi kwa
Koi. Utashika kuhu.
Reset. 1, 2, go.
Tendo chukua kasholo mfunike na.
Kaka. Wewe uko kwa hii.
Hata kicha kumalizia smocha malizie.
You just come and let me. Continue.
Are you gonna die? I'm gonna die.
Come to na uombe. Si wewe.
Saya mtu Mungu sikwe yeye. Kuja hapa. Do you need help?
What? Let's begin. Come.
Uko sawa? Ngoja.
1, go. You come.
Bigi.
1, 2, go.
Hakuna umekuwa pia chini. Acha
Huyu
akue.
uko sawa.
Acha akaunti kwa mikono.
1, 2, go.
Anton na Angel.
Go. Kule ndo pale. Akiti. You. Antona titi harare. Come on.
No, you go die.
Kukimbia ndio haizi kimbia.
Haya. 1, 2, go. Willy.
Nani na nani?
Haya. 1, 2, go.
Willy tena. Haiti ukishinda wewe utadedi.
Anto don't go.
I'm not going.
Hakuna.
Lakini zuri ndio imebaki hapa ni bajia.
I think twice. Bajia lazima tumishe. Ngoja baba.
One, two, go.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being in my YouTube channel. Thank you for we have entertained you. You better say down in the comment section below who was the winner. Is it Team Chichi?
Is it Team Bexy? Team Madonna? Team Cash? You
know.
Of course, Mimi. What do you mean? Team Bexy, bro.
Peace, bye. Remember to smile because you're alive.